Hi guys, welcome to Tales and Trails. My name is Khushi and this is my very first video on BookTube. So I have been obsessed with books since forever and so I decided to share my love for books with you and today I'll be unboxing parcels from Padega India, Amazon and Volkswagen. So let's get started. So this very first parcel is from Amazon. Well, I have already opened all of these parcels because I had to see if any book were defected, so I had to return that. So I opened them, but I kept them again to get the experience of unboxing for you. Let's see. Well, let me tell you first one thing, that this bubble wrap didn't come with this Amazon parcels. I don't like Amazon's packaging at all. So let's see. So very first book is this, The Only One Left. It's by Riley Sagar. I apologize if I say any of the author's name wrong because I tend to mispronounce a lot. Okay, so let me give you the summary for the book. Everyone believes that Lenora Hope is a mass murderer. When the Hope family was massacred decades ago, she was the only one left alive after the tragic night. Mute, paralyzed, and confined to a wheelchair, Lenora has never been able to tell her side of the story. Until her new live-in caregiver, Kit, brings her a typewriter, and with one working finger, Lenora begins to type, "I want to tell you everything." This sounds very exciting. Honestly, so I really want to. I'm so excited to try this. Okay, well, let me tell you one thing about me. I really love thriller. I really love thriller. Okay, so next up is this. I mean, look at this book. I don't know, but I really like the vibe. This book is by Stephanie Garber. Again, apologies if I pronounce wrong. So, well, I have heard a lot about this book. This is a fantasy genre. Let me give you the short summary for this book. Once a year, the infamous master legend hosts Carnival, open only to those who have been invited. This year, the week-long game is on Legends, glittering as the law, where the winding street around. I think this book revolves around kind of circus. I mean, not circus. I mean, different kind of thing. The summary is too long, so I'm not gonna say it. You're not gonna listen. So I'm gonna attach the verb. So that you can read the summary. Next up is the push. I tell you, the most of the books here is gonna be thriller, I guess. But then they maybe are not, because I have ordered romance also a lot. So the book's name is The Push and it is by Ashley Audran. I also heard a lot about this book on Reddit. Like, people keep recommending this book. So I'm very excited about reading this book, okay? The pages are yellow, but it's fine, I love it. The words are big. Then I really love it when the book's words are very big. I don't like small words, but they're very hard to read also. It gives strain on my eyes. Okay. Next up, again, the Amazing parcel. I'm not right, I really love unboxing them. And who does not? And I really love unboxing parcels. And who does not? Okay. Again, 3 books. Again, disclaimer that this bubble wrap did not came up with this books, but I had to restore them. But I had to store all the parcels, okay, because they didn't came on a single day. They came on different days, so I had to store them. So I thought I should use this bubble wrap to protect my box. Yeah, this is on. book is Local Woman Missing. It is by Mary Kubika, and I also heard a lot about this book. This is a very good thriller book. The pages are yellow, like different kinds of yellow. Say not yellow. Mother and her 6-year-old daughter, they suddenly vanish, and it's a small town, so everyone is wondering how this terrible thing happened. And then 11 years later, Delila, who is I guess the daughter, suddenly reappears. Okay, everyone wants to know that what really happened to her and everything like that, and the thing, and we found the truth and this kind of thing. Okay, yeah. Next up is this book by Stephen King. This is my first book by Stephen King, so I'm really excited to read it. The name is Misery. Okay. Also heard a lot about this book. Well, I heard a lot about all of this book. That's why I ordered it. Let me. I don't want to give you the summaries because it's too long, and I am bad at summarizing them more. You know. So let's see. I'm gonna attach the bulb always for you. Next up is Pretty Girls by Karen Slaughter. Karen Slaughter, and इनके तो नाम में ही Slaughter है. So this book is supposed to be very gruesome and very disturbing. And well, I have been reading thriller for a long time, so every thriller feels vanilla to me. So I kind of wanted to try like more disturbing and more, because I don't think I'm crazy. I'm not a psychopath. I'm not crazy. So I wanted to try like a thriller which can disturb me. I don't really easily get disturbed, so I wanted a thriller which can disturb me. So I ordered this. Okay, guys. Next up is this parcel from Volkswagen. Their packaging is weird, honestly, but it's fine. Better than Amazon, obviously. Let's see what we got. Okay, I ordered 3 books from them. First one is A Flicker in the Dark. I wanted to try this book for a long time, but on Amazon, the price of this book was very high, like very high. So, and on Volkswagen I got a good discount. So yeah, but I didn't like one thing about this. The first, I have noticed the text are smaller, but it will work. Okay, now the text is not the problem. The problem is that the book is not floppy. Okay, not at all floppy at all. But when the book is not floppy, the spine easily get broken. So when I opened it, the spine got broken. I don't like it. It hurt my feelings. So this is a downside I don't like. But let's see. Let's move on. Next up is Daisy Darker by Alice Feeney. I actually really like Alice Feeney. I really like her work. Most of the books I read by her is very good. And I'm very excited. So I'm very excited to read this. It's about that the girl name is Daisy Darker, and she is like she is going to her grandparents' house for her 18th birthday, and then she start uncovering disturbing truths about her family, like that. Okay. Yeah, the book is fine. It is not also very floppy. Like it looks floppy, but it's not that. I feel like इसका भी spine टूट जाएगा. Next up is Sometimes I Lie by Alice Feeney. I wanted to try this book also for a long time, but this book was costly on Amazon, and Amazon packaging is also shit. Yeah. One thing I like about Alice Feeney is her books. In her books, the texts are like very big, kind of like big, and I like big text because as you can see, I'm blind, so मेरी आंखों पे स्ट्रेस नहीं पड़ता है, फिर मुझे अच्छा लगता है. ठीक है. So this book is about a woman who is in coma, and it's by her POV. So she thinks that her husband does not love me. Next up, I have this huge huge parcel from Padega India. Okay, let me tell you, let's praise books in. Let's praise Padega India. I really loved their packaging, like the way they packaged the order. I can see that they love books. They care about the books. I will attach the video so you can see the packaging, the way I opened it. Okay, I ordered a lot of books from Padega India because there was this sale going on Mahashivratri. Okay, so I got a lot of very good discount, like 50% discount. Okay, first book we have is The Wife Between Us. I really love thriller, guys. I really love. Okay, so husband and wife and ex-wife. She is between them. The wife between us. Okay, it's something about jealousy. So the ex-wife is very jealous about her replacement owner. So you will see the jealousy and obsession, and you are supposed to love it. I really like the theme, and I think I'm gonna love it. Next up, so guys, next up is Powerless by Lauren Roberts. Well, I heard a lot about this book on BookTube. The people are obsessed with this book. It is a fantasy genre, and there's this girl. The guy is supposed to kill her, but he does not, because he and then bent her and all like that. She kept okay. I'm not gonna summarize because मुझे summary देना आते नहीं है यार. I'm still learning, and I also haven't read it, so how I'm supposed to summarize it? I also haven't read, so I don't know how to summarize them. Okay, I'm yet to get the second part of this book because the second part was costly on that, was not on discount, and so yeah, I'll order the second part once I finish this. Next up, we have As Good as Dead by Holly Jackson. Well, I have read the first two books, and first one I read in a paperback, but second I read in an ebook as a ebook. So third I wanted to read as a paperback, and also it was in really good discount, so I had to buy it. I'm really excited. I'm really excited to read this book. Like, you should read it. I loved it. Next up is The House Across the Lake by Riley Sager. It's obviously a thriller, and I cannot wait to read it. Next up is The Ballad of Never After by Stephanie Garber. I already have the first part, but I haven't read it yet, so I decided. So I thought that I should buy the next part also. So I bought it. It's a fantasy genre. Next up is Legendary by Stephanie Garber. This is a second part in Caraval series. Next up is this, Six of Crows and Crooked Kingdom. So one of my friends really liked this book and they recommended it to me, and I cannot wait to read these. I'm already very excited, and the smell of new books is heaven. That's all, guys. If you liked any of the books I showed, please do tell me, and also any recommendations for me, do tell me that too. Thank you so much.